Hello, my name is Alexander, and today I'll be showing you an experiment which turns an egg into a bouncy ball. Let's get started. We will need an egg. Alright, here it is. Now we need some vinegar. Alright, and now we need a bowl. So first you put the egg into the bowl. Now you take your vinegar and you pour it in. The egg needs... So as you can see, the egg is completely submerged and it is bubbling up. Now we need to wait for 24 hours. While we wait for the 24 hours, let's talk about the science behind this fascinating experiment. So basically, what is happening is the acidic vinegar is eating away the shell of the egg, leaving the membrane. But if the acidic vinegar is too acidic, it will eat away the whole egg. So we need to be precise here. Alright, now back to the egg. Let's take a look at the egg. It has a very nice scum around it, but now let's get on with the final test. Alright, so now we have the final experiment. We have the egg here. We need to rinse it under some gentle water, and it should come off. Now you just need to squeeze it a little bit. And now, as you can see, the egg has completely turned into a bouncy ball. I will show you that it can actually bounce. Alright. So as you can see, the egg can bounce. It's basically a bouncy ball, no damage to it. Yeah, so it was a good experiment. As you can see, the egg is it feels like rubber. I'm going to throw it from shoulder's length. And there you go. No damage, completely fine egg. This was a really fun experiment and hope you enjoyed.